Well, I'm down here at the boat ramp. I thought I'd give y'all a view of where I'm going to be launching the boat now. The house is about 1.5 miles, 2 miles up the road. That over there is Surf City, South Totwell. Yeah, it's Surf City over there. And over across the way, that's South Topsail Island. And up that way is where I used to live. About 1.5 miles, well, actually about 5 miles. So I wanted to give you all a view. This is Sloop Point. I had to come over here to start mowing some grass. I forgot my gas can at the house. So I mowed what I could. But I just wanted to give you all a view today. All my friends that's supporting me and Angie or giving us a helping hand, God bless you. I can't say enough. And we can't say enough. The Lord, power of Lord's Prayer work. Just to let y'all look. Okie dokie. I hope you enjoy this. And all my people in the Midwest. Flyover country. Ain't nothing like being down on the coast. I know I've often said I'm sick of the beach, but it's addictive. I'm addicted. Well, let me sign off for right now. And after I get back to the other place, I'll upload this video. And y'all can enjoy it, okay? I hope y'all like it. If you ever hear what they call stump sound oysters, this is where they come from. They come from up that way. So it's getting close to sunset. Well, it's 6 something. But there it is. Let me turn back around. Alright, I'll holler at you in a little bit. On Marcia's blog, Conservative Treehouse. Flyover's blog, the news blog. Yep. And I love y'all. Thank you for your continuing support. I'm sorry I'll explain, but I can't. It's going to be part of a civil suit. I love y'all. God bless you. It's a gorgeous day down here with a nice south wind. And y'all have a great day and God bless. David, well, Angie ain't with me right now, but David over and out, and Angie, she's at the house trying to get stuff to pack. All right, love y'all. Bye-bye.